How to clean your spray nozzle. So as you can tell, there's a lot of buildup on this old nozzle that's been used for the past year. So CLR, equal parts CLR, calcium, lime, and rust and water. So in this case, I did 1 cup to 1 cup. And then I soaked. There's a soaking solution for about 5 to 10 minutes. After that, I took it outside to rinse it off with the hose. I utilized a toothbrush to scrub where all that buildup had been to make sure it all came off. Then I did this part so the threads would go on well also. Then I rinsed it well with the hose, made sure all the CLR was out. And as you can see, this spray is much stronger and better. And additionally, you can use all the different spray options like it was intended. Thanks for watching.